Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw this AutoCAD 3D modeling tutorials. This tutorial number 9. Before we start the drawing, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, let's draw together. Okay, to open the AutoCAD, this is the AutoCAD 2017 version. Okay, I erase my history and then make a grid on and then make sure the 3D modeling was be in here. Before we start the drawing, check the unique UN or Unix decimal precision 0.00 millimeters. Okay, and choose the isometric to see clearly and then change to 2D wireframe. To draw this drawing, firstly I have to show the box. This is 113 and diameter is 75. Okay, choose the box command here. Then it's 113, tab key 75, and then height is 28. Okay, and then draw the head this time diameter 75. C for cycle, choose D for diameter 75. Okay, and then the height is 75. Choose the extrude command, click here, enter to 75, and then for the move command, select objects, specify base point to here. Okay, use the object key to see the rotation. Okay, and then choose another box for that. 28, 75. Okay, choose another box here. 28 with 75, and the height is 75 extrude minus 28. 75 minus 28, 47. Okay, the height is 47. Use N for the move command, select objects, specify base point here to that, and then make sure one thing is union command, union enter. Then we have to draw the height is 56. Okay, 56 height to 10. C for the cycle, D for the diameter 56. Then choose the push move command, enter to 10. Okay, and then choose for another C for the cycle here, D for the D diameter 56. Then press rotates, then press move command, click the cycle, Ctrl Z, cycle to 1010. Okay, and check the shake width to see clearly. Oh, this is the push pull, not here. Okay, use the extrude substrate here, the select object, solid, enter, and then straight enter. Okay, is okay. You choose, change the UCS X Y. Okay, then change the 2D wireframe to see clearly, and then diameter 38 click-throughs with key line. Okay, C for the cycle T38. Then choose the top key, and then the key heat is 41. Okay, heat is 41. Okay, to draw this key line command here, and then the width is 10, so use O for offset, distance 5, click 5, enter, and then use E extend command, click the cycle, and then click enter. Okay, and the key height is 41. 41 minus 38 is key height. 41 minus 38 is 3. Okay, use L for the choose here, and then N for the move key, click subject, enter. Is 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, this is the key height. Trend command here, enter, click. Okay, erase the necessary line, and then use MI for mirror command, select object, enter, specify first point to mirror, second point, use show object, no. Okay, and then erase the line, trend, enter the unnecessary line. Okay, very simple. Then you can check the key. Okay, key line. Okay, use the press book command here, loop to here. Okay, check the shape with X. Okay, very easy. Okay, and then the last thing is fillet, radius 10 fillet edge. Okay, F fillet edge, R, choose the R radius 10, click here, enter. Okay, and then one thing is left, radius 9.5 cycle here. Okay, this point, change the UCS here, x86, y86. Okay, use C for the cycle, click the midpoint, C for the cycle, click the midpoint, radius 9.5, and N for the move key, select cycle, click the center point to 25. Okay, mix, and for the move key, click object, set the center to 25. Okay, here. Okay, 25. Okay, choose orbit key to see clearly, and L line for here to here, then line to connect the point. Okay, use trend command, slats. Okay, enter. And then use the press pull command here to click. Okay, use the slot. Okay, very simple. Change the shape width of the grid. You can easily finish the 3D modeling, AutoCAD 3D modeling. Yeah. Change the color, double click, and then color layer, choose the red. Okay. Off. And choose isometric. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.